Hi everyone. First, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the quote from our textbook. I absolutely agree with the quote. It's no longer acceptable for new teachers to identify as technophobes or tech illiterate. In today's classrooms, technology isn't optional, it's foundational. As Dr. Kolb points out, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift towards one-to-one devices and blended learning environments, making it imperative for educators to be fluent in educational technology, which leads me to our point 2. What skills do teachers need to effectively integrate technology into their teaching? Let me discuss 2 methods in which teachers can develop these skills. First, the SAMR model, which stands for Substitution, Augmentation, Modification, and Redefinition. This is a framework that separates the use of technology into 4 levels. These levels describe how technology impacts teaching and learning. First, substitution. Technology acts as a direct substitute for traditional tools with no functional change. For example, using a word processor instead of handwriting an essay. Second, augmentation. Technology is a direct substitute but adds some functional improvement. For example, using a word processor with spell check and/or grammar tools. Third, modification. Technology significantly redesigns tasks, transforming the learning process. For example, students collaborate on a shared document in real time using Google Docs. Fourth is redefinition. Technology allows for the creation of new tasks previously impossible. For example, students create and share a multimedia project using video, images, and narration, connecting with global peers for feedback. The goal for teachers is to progress towards modification and redefinition for deeper learning and creativity. Next is TPACK, which stands for Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, which explains 3 core knowledge areas. Technological knowledge, knowledge of technology tools and their use. For example, knowing how to use tools like Google Classroom and interactive whiteboards. Pedagogical knowledge, knowledge of teaching strategies and methods. For example, using fieldwork and observations, exploratory learning, or group discussions. Content knowledge, which is the mastery of subject matter being taught. For example, understanding math, concepts, or historical events. With the TPACK model, teachers integrate with content expertise, pedagogical approaches, and technology to create effective and engaging lessons. The key differences between SAMR and TPACK are SMAR focuses on the levels of technology integration and how technology changes the learning task, where TPACK focuses on balancing and integrating content, pedagogy, and technology knowledge together. Why do these matter? Both areas help teachers learn how to use technology in a classroom, learn to create transformative and engaging experiences, and learn to align technology choices with effective teaching strategies and content goals. By applying these 2 methods, teachers can make thoughtful and impactful decisions about how to use technology to enhance learning. What technological innovations do, I think, will shape the future education in the next 10 years, and how that influences, if at all, my perspective on future roles as an educator. I believe artificial intelligence and virtual augmented reality will significantly shape the future of education. AI-powered tools provide personalized learning by adapting content and individual students' needs, while VR and AR can create immersive learning environments, making abstract concepts tangible and engaging. This outlook influences my perspective as a future educator by showing me the importance of adaptability. It's crucial for teachers to stay informed about emerging technologies and think creatively about how to use them to encourage deeper learning in all their students. By embracing innovation, we can prepare students to thrive in an increasingly digital world. To summarize, being tech literate is non-negotiable for teachers today. By developing key skills and staying forward thinking about technological innovations, we can ensure that we are meeting the needs of our students and preparing them for success in a digital future. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts too.